In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add coupons on Woocommerce, whether you're looking to attract new customers, retain existing ones, or simply boost sales during seasonal dips. Woocommerce coupons are an effective marketing tool that can help you achieve your business goals. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating coupons in Woocommerce, which, with some focus and a few clicks, can be done in just about 5 minutes. First things first, you need to log into your WordPress website. Navigate to your dashboard where the world of your content management opens. This is where you can control every aspect of your website, but today we're focusing solely on Woocommerce and its coupon functionality. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Woocommerce tab. It's usually on the left-hand side menu. Clicking on it will open up a world dedicated to your online store. From here you can manage orders, products, reports, and crucially for today, coupons. After clicking on Woocommerce, you'll see another list of options. Find the Coupons tab and give it a click. This is your entry point into the discount universe. At this stage, if you've never created a coupon before, don't worry. Woocommerce has a friendly user interface to guide you through. When you select Coupons, you'll be taken to a new page. On this page, Woocommerce may prompt you to create your first coupon if you haven't already done so. Look for the button or link that says Create Your First Coupon and click on it. It's pretty straightforward from here. Now, you're in the coupon creation area. Here's where your creativity can shine through. But also it's a place for careful consideration. As coupons can be a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal, they need to be thought out. You might think that creating a coupon is just about selecting the percentage off, but there's a bit more to it. You need to consider the coupon code itself. Make it memorable and relevant to the campaign. Think about the discount type. Is it a percentage discount, a fixed cart discount, or a fixed product discount? What about the coupon amount? How much of a bargain is going to entice your buyers without undervaluing your products? Moreover, you'll want to think about usage restrictions. Are there minimum spends that unlock the discount? Are certain items or categories excluded from the offer? Also, think about usage limits. How many times can the coupon be used in total by any number of customers? Or perhaps you want to restrict it to one use per customer. When you have filled in all the relevant details and decisions, the final step is to publish your coupon. This is as simple as clicking the Publish or Activate button, usually found on the right side of the screen. And voila, your coupon is now live and ready to be used by your customers. Before we wrap up, a tip to remember is to promote your coupon effectively. It's not just about creating it in WooCommerce, it's also about letting your customers know it exists. Include the coupon code in newsletters, social media posts, and banners on your website. Make it visible and attractive enough that your customers can't resist using it. Finally, always monitor the performance of your coupons. Are they bringing in more sales? Are certain products seeing more movement when discounted? WooCommerce provides analytics that can help you understand these patterns, enabling you to refine your future coupons for even better results. That's all for today. By now, you should have a good grasp of how to add coupons to your WooCommerce store, making them a strategic part of your sales and marketing efforts. Remember, coupons are not just about discounts, they're about enhancing the shopping experience for your customers, showing appreciation, and strategically boosting your sales. So, go ahead, experiment with your offers, and watch how they can transform customer engagement and your business growth. Happy selling, happy